All right, good morning, everybody. It is Thursday. I hope you had a good day yesterday. I hope you enjoyed those videos. I hope you enjoyed the virtual field trip. I know I love going to aquariums. I hope you did too. And now we're going to jump into foundations and continue what we started on Tuesday. If I can get it to move. There we go. Oh, there we go. All right, we're going to go over some sounds. Hey, Thomas. James.
Yeah?
Come here. Maybe we'll have James do these with you today. You want to do some sounds?
Sure.
All right, Thomas, go for it. Do a couple. Anyone you want. Good.
N nut.
It's been a while for you, huh? N, nut,
Oh, I got it.
So you say letter, keyword, sound.
Okay.
So try this one. Right here.
A
A, apple, ah. Thomas, down here.
Z zebras.
Good. James, what about this one?
O octopus.
Good. How about here? This guy. Right.
E ed.
Now, for all you kids at home that are listening, it's how do we really say it?
Eh.
E, ed, eh. See, fourth graders are rusty. They don't know what they're doing. They need some practice. James, try another one.
M man.
Good. Let's give you a hard one. How about this one?
Q U queen.
Q, U, queen, qua. Good. Then we have to give them some time to say it themselves. All right, let's go into some digraphs. Thomas, you want to take the top row?
W H whistle. W.
Good.
C
No, that's long. You got to let the kids repeat it at home. Good.
C H chin. Ch.
Good.
S H ship. Sh.
Good. James, you want to take the bottom ones?
T H thumb. C K.
No, slow down. You have to let them repeat it.
It's been a while.
Go ahead.
C K sock.
Good. Thomas, I have a question for you. Why would I put the WH first?
Because it's a starter of the word.
Good. It's always at the beginning of the word. James, why would I put the CK last?
It's always at the bottom.
What do you mean?
Well, I mean the end of the word.
End of the word or syllable, right?
Yeah.
Good. You guys remember R-controlled vowels?
Yeah.
We're going to skip these today.
Oh, okay.
Do you know vowel teams?
Not all of them. Yes.
Not all of them. Let's try them. James, take the first two.
Bait.
Now, what do we say? We say letter, keyword,
AI.
sound.
Bait. A.
Good.
AY. Play. A.
Good. Thomas, you want to take these? Hold on. You guys should all, at home, you should be repeating these back, echoing them. All right, the same way we say them. Thomas, you give this one a shot.
E. Jeep. E. EA.
Slow down. Go ahead.
Rusty. EA. Eat. E. EY. Key. E.
Good. James, I'm going to throw a curveball at you. Give you a hard one. Do this line right here.
OU. Soup. Ooh.
Good. But what about this word here? Because OU has two different sounds.
Oh, yeah.
It could be
It
OU.
could be trout. Think of Mike Trout ever.
So say it.
OU. Trout. Ooh. Or OU. Soup. Ooh.
OU. Soup. Ooh is right. Kids at home. What do you think, second graders? OU. Trout. Ow.
Go down in the comment
Good.
section.
Thomas, what about this one?
School. Ooh.
Ooh, good. James, we'll throw another curveball at you. How about this one?
OW. Snow. O. OW.
But it could also be.
Plow. Ow.
Good. Nice job. Now, do you guys remember any of these welded sounds?
Oh, I know all
These are easy. So go ahead, Thomas. Right here.
A-N-G, fang, ang.
What about this one, Thomas?
U-N-G, long,
James?
A-L-L, ball, oh.
And James, one more.
U-N-K, junk, unk.
All right. Thanks, guys. Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
All right. That was James and Thomas taking you through. They probably went a little fast, but I'm sure you'll be fine. All right. Now we're going to move on to our next part of suffixes. These are the suffixes we've been talking about last time, or last week and the weeks before. And then last week we talked about a few different, or was that on Tuesday? We talked about a few different things. Today we're going to introduce you to 3 more suffixes, and then tomorrow we'll put them all together. You guys going to hang out and listen?
Sure.
All right. So, more suffixes.
Whoa.
Dun, dun, dun.
So, for your base word is child. So, repeat that back. Child. And your suffix is ish. So, then we put it together. We have child, ish. Childish. So, do you know what childish sounds means? Child is a kid, a young person. When you're being childish, the boy's actions were so childish. That means they were sort of like, somewhat like, kind of like. The ish kind of means somewhat like a child.
Naughty.
So the boy's actions were so childish. Could James or Thomas, could one of you guys think of another word that you could make up that ends in ish? What do you think? While the kids at home are trying to think of their own.
Dish.
Dish? No, that's not a suffix. That's part of that word.
Oh.
How about if how about if someone was selfish?
Because they got a lot of cells.
Yeah, because they're somewhat thinking about themselves, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're running out of time here, so let's move on to the next one. There's only 3 today, so here's the second one. If the base word is fresh, repeat after me, fresh.
Fresh.
And then the suffix is en. You would pronounce that in. So freshen.
Freshen.
Freshen. How can we freshen up this room? So what you're saying when you add en is you're saying the word that the base word is becoming something. It's to sharpen it, to make it better, to make it more, maybe not to make it better, but maybe to make it more like its meaning. Like when you freshen up the room, you make the room smell or feel more fresh.
Or nice.
What about you two? Could you guys think of another word that has that en sound?
Oh, man.
What do you think?
I
Struggling?
yeah.
James?
Oh, soften.
Soften. Good.
Soften.
You soften something, so you make it more.
Comfortable.
Yeah, but what's the word? You're making it more
Soften.
soft, using the base word. You're making it more soft.
Common.
Oh no, those 2 words.
How about if you sharpen?
Thomas, that's slang, dude.
Slang.
All right, last one. This for base word is expand. Expand.
Expandable.
Expandable. So when we would repeat it back, we'd say expand. Expandable. A good definition to show you that was the bracelet the bracelet was expandable. So it fit both of us. So what do you think that able, when we add able, it means it can be. It's able to be. If something is mixable,
I need to get back.
it's something you could mix together. 2 things that are able to be mixed. What do you think? You guys got one, James? Thomas? You guys got one more with an able at the end? Able? Expandable? Mixable?
Disposable.
Disposable. Able to be disposed. What does dispose mean?
Like, thrown away.
Throw away. So they're able to throw something away. James, you got one? Well, there's a whole bunch of second graders listening. Dying to know what James wants to tell us. What do you think?
Playable.
Playable? The video game was playable. It was not broken. Playable. Able to be played. Right? It can be played. Good. So now in these past 2 these past two screencasts, it goes to 15. In these past two screencasts, we've gone over 3 today and 4 on Tuesday of new suffixes. So tomorrow, I'm going to give you an assignment where you're going to write it out a little bit. So maybe we'll do a little lesson beforehand to kind of go over them all again. And then I'm going to have you make a chart or something like that so you could see the different suffixes and what they mean. So then you could kind of use that as reference if you want. All right. In the meantime, have a nice rest of the day. Hopefully you have a good time.
Stay healthy, everybody.
There you go. You guys want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye. Stay safe and stay healthy.
All right.
Peace out.